Hi, Bryce McDonald here, and I'm going to show you today how to upload a new listing into Iutas.com. We're going to start first by logging in as a realtor. I've already signed up, so I'll just log in, and I'm taken to my realtor homepage here where I can see all of the listings that I currently have that are active. To start a new listing, I just go up here into the menu and click New Listing. Here I am creating a new listing. The first thing that I need to do is create a unique name for this listing. The unique name is a powerful feature. Not only does it allow you to send text messages to the Iutas ID of this listing, but with the unique name, you can send a text message to Iutas and then the unique name to get information on that listing. So I'll show you an example. Over here we have the 7th listing in the Iutas database, and we can get to it by going to iutas.com/s/7. We can also get information on this listing by texting Iutas7 to 368-266 on our keypad. However, this listing has also been given the unique name of Midvale. So not only can I get to it on the web at iutas.com/s/Midvale, I can also text Iutas space Midvale to 368-266 and get information on this listing. I'll give this listing the unique name of My Dream House. After I've given this listing a unique name, I can then go down here to see this posting on Zillow. By default, all Iutas listings are also reposted at Zillow.com. There are a lot of potential buyers at Zillow, and so we find this a helpful feature of Iutas. I can check this box to opt out, but I don't want to, so I'll leave it unchecked. Next, I can see a link to my listing. And for this particular listing, I've actually purchased another domain that gives a slideshow and a lot of other great information for potential buyers to see. So I'll just copy and paste that into this text field here. Next, I just add the street address information with the city, state, and zip. Alright, that's pretty straightforward. So now after I've done that, I'll assign the number of bedrooms. It has 3. And the number of bathrooms. It has 2. And then the number of partial bathrooms. Now in some places we would call 2 half bathrooms 2 partial bathrooms. In other places we would call it half baths, or 2 half baths. So either way, that's fine. We just select the number of full baths, the number of partial baths, and now we go on to square footage. This listing has 3,096, and it's being offered for $875,000. After I've given it a price, next comes the real fun part about Iutas. I need to enter a description that will be sent via text message when a potential buyer is at my listing. So for this, I want to be sure to describe it succinctly and also give enough details and my contact information to make sure that the potential buyer will contact me. Okay, next I'll enter a more detailed description that might be found on my MLS description or might be found on a paper flyer. This description will not be sent via text message, but it will be displayed on the listing's unique website. So for this, I'll enter the greatest house on the market. Finally, I'll add pictures to this listing. Iutas allows you to add as many pictures as you'd like. So you just click the Add Picture button, and then you choose the pictures that you'd like to upload. Alright, when I'm finished uploading all of my pictures, I'll then hit the Create button to create the listing. If I have a lot of pictures, it may take a while, but it's definitely working. After your listing is created, you're taken to the page that the potential buyer will also see if they find your listing over the internet. And here you can see the address, the beds, the baths, the square feet, everything that you just entered before, as well as your contact information. You can also see the pictures that were uploaded, Very nice. And also a Google map of the listing. Now if I'm a potential buyer, I can type in my address here and get driving directions to your listing. And now I can drive by your listing, I can contact you for more information, and I can see a map of how to get to your listing. You'll also notice that there's no advertising on Iutas. Up here, over here, nor down here. The only advertising is for your own listings. So if I'm a buyer, I'll only be engaged in this listing or other listings that you may have. To get back to my Realtor homepage, I just click the Home button at the top of the screen, and here I can see the listing that I just created. And that's how you create a listing with Iutas. Thanks a lot and have fun.